Hey everyone, Dr. Kevin here over at HealthFit Physical Therapy and Chiropractic.
And I'm Dr. Daphne.
And today we wanted to go over an exercise, or a few exercises actually, that people have been doing a lot at home. And we just wanted to talk about some of the things that we've seen when clients have shown us what they've been doing and see how we could help to maybe clean it up a little bit.
So we're going to go over donkey kicks and bird dogs. And typically what those exercises are good for is working your glutes and also working your core. So we're going to go over what form looks like and what you should be feeling, and then what you can do if you're not feeling those things.
Yeah, and because sometimes people come in and they tell us that they've been doing those exercises, and they talk about having like back pain, or they talk about having some like shoulder discomfort or like neck discomfort. And so we want to see if we can help clarify that a little bit as to what might be the best position for you. So Dr. Daphne, you want to get into the position first?
Sure. Got all fours over here.
Okay, so in terms of trying to get the bird dog, typically we'll see someone straighten out the arm and then they'll kick their leg back, right? So go ahead and just show that for me, Daphne. There you go. And going back. Now you see she's got her hips and her knees kind of like just right underneath her. Her shoulders are also right underneath her. That's good. Now the big thing that we don't want to do is we don't want to have an overarching of the back, because that's going to lead to some compression and some irritation possibly at the back. The main goal is to try to focus on stability here at the trunk, but also being able to get your glute to engage as you're doing that movement. Now, in terms of the neck and the head with the neck and shoulders, we want to make sure that we're not kind of like turtling. That's going to cause you a lot more tension here. We want to be able to keep that relaxed but stable at the same time. And then go ahead and perform the movement again. Daphne, just kick out and then arm straight. Okay, so that's what you're looking for. Again, common compensations, people might arch their back a lot, or they start to rotate and twist their body a little bit. And we're exaggerating, obviously, but those are some of the small things that happen when people are doing the bird dog that can lead to some discomfort. Now, when it comes to the donkey kick, similar types of compensations can occur. So go ahead and try it first for me, please, Daphne. Yep. And even then, so she's a little bit of a struggle to try to get back up there, right? And that's okay. But she's staying stable here, which is really important, because a lot of times when people are doing donkey kick, you see this arch, that dip here in the back, right? And we don't want that, because that's going to possibly irritate the back a little bit more as well too. So that's kind of the main focus for the donkey kick. And with the bird dog, as we said before, being able to maintain stability with a straight arm and leg, and also making sure you're not turtling. All those things are really important to remember as you're doing these exercises, that you're doing them well and you're doing them with good form, so that you're exercising the muscles that you need to, and you're not aggravating areas that you shouldn't be.
If you're still finding that you're having some difficulty with this exercise, or maybe you're getting pain with it, or you're not activating the right muscles, or something just seems to be off, that's probably a good time to go see somebody and get that checked out, so that way we can kind of take a look at what's going on and see if there's anything else that we have to do to be able to get you back into that good form.
Yep.
All right.
We'd love to be able to help you with that. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below or contact us over at HealthFit.
Thank you so much for listening, guys, and have a great day.
Take care.